Let's take a closer look at this Genie Mach Force Connect garage door opener. I installed this 3 years ago and it has worked extremely well. And I'd like to give everyone a little bit of background on this unit, what comes with it, the types of drive systems, and how you can do this yourself, or if you want to buy it as a gift for someone that can install it. So what you get with this kit here is you get the motor assembly here, which comes with safety lights that light when you turn the garage door on. You get a drive system here. You get safety beams that go across the base of the garage door if someone is in the beam. And then finally you get a pad that comes that you attach to the wall just inside your garage door to turn it on and off and to lock it out of operation. So I'm going to go back to basics right here, because when you are investigating a garage door opener, there are 3 drive systems. This particular one has a screw type drive, very quiet, strong, and efficient. You can buy a belt drive or you can buy a chain drive. They all work well. You would have to do some research, but this particular one here is a screw drive. One additional piece of information here is my garage door is 8 feet tall. Typical door is 7. So this comes with a drive system that accommodates a 7-foot door. I had to buy an additional feature that adds on to the screw length to accommodate my 8-foot door. One additional feature inside this device is because it's Connect, it is Wi-Fi compatible with the right app. Every installation is different, and I will just explain my installation here. I have power in the garage. The walls are in the ceiling are finished. They put the wires into the walls for the connection that goes to the sensors on the door, as well as my garage door opening pad. This particular package comes with all the wiring you need if your garage is not finished and you need to install this from brand new. I had to mount these brackets into the trusses with lag bolts so that it was extremely strong, and I had to adjust it, and I had to buy this bracketry so that it would fit my particular application. So that's the difference between installations. So I had to do this whole thing, but the wiring was already there. It was just a matter of connecting it to the device, and it opens and closes. And there's one more additional feature that you can buy separate, is a pad for outside of your garage door, which is very similar to the one you have inside that comes with it. But that is extra. I did install the outside pad so that I can access the garage door. I highly recommend this unit. I've enjoyed it for many years. It works extremely well.